Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 2, 2026 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong February 2, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, February 2, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. the result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 2, 2026 Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, February 2, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of February 2, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.